Welcome and thank you for choosing Azar Pixel. We are so pleased to serve you as a customer and provide best quality services nationwide to your valuable asset. In this video, we will show you what you need to send us with your first LED repair order so we can provide quality and quick turnaround for you. There are multiple types of LED panels we can repair, and for each one, we need a test kit with spares. Here, we're going to show you 3 examples. The first one is a rental LED wall with removable panels. In this case, we need a test spine, power cables, and spare parts. As you can see, we install each bad panel in the spine and test it out. Then, we use the spare parts like ICs, LEDs, and shaders to perform the repairs. Here is another type. In this type, there are separate power supplies and receiving cards. These aren't packed together, so make sure that you send a complete set so we can turn on the panel. As you can see, you may need to send a data and power cable for the modules. This type is like the previous. Make sure you pack 1 or 2 test kits with your panels before shipping them to us. Azar Pixel provides the best quality repair services for LED panels, stage lights, and amplifiers in North America. Please feel free to contact us for a free consultation.